This video has been made possible by BenQ. If you're a digital artist in need of a professional grade monitor, then check out benq.com.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all safe, well, and in good spirit. Now that said, we're going to do a little update on our ZBrush 3D character sculpting challenge. I announced that challenge on January 1st with kind support from BenQ, and especially from Luxion for putting up a pro licensed keyshot worth almost $2,000, right, for this challenge. And that said, when I posted the challenge, I didn't know that this would not be like any other year. I mean, soon after January 1st, the world was turned upside down, and it had a huge impact on a whole bunch of people. You know, schools closed, businesses closed, people struggling for financial reasons and so forth. And as a result, I received a bunch of questions and requests from people saying whether I could extend the deadline, right? So that's what we're going to do. It's a very special circumstance. So what we're going to do is we're going to extend the deadline of the challenge from July 1st, which is today, to October 1st, right? So you have until October 1st to send in your entry, and it will give you the opportunity to complete what you're working on. It will give you the opportunity to show your work to the world, right? So again, I hope you're all okay. Please let me know in the comments whether you will be participating or not. And once again, thank you to BenQ and thank you to Luxion, right? Hope you guys join. Thanks.